Can you do it? Here you go. Good girl. Come on. Oh. Come on. There you go. Good walking. 46 weeks. Oh. Are you a bit stuck? That's okay. There you go. Get it? Hey.
Hi.
Sweetness.
Hi, beautiful. Which way do you want to go?
Here's Vanessa, 46 weeks old with her. Hi! Huh? December 30th, 2012. What do you have? Look at the toy that you have. Can you go over to Daddy? You go over to Daddy? Over here. Daddy's gonna help.
Okay. Up we go. Turning around.
Show me how you can walk.
2 hands. Ready? Here you go.
Wow! You're so good at this.
Remember to steer.
Oh. Hey, it's always
Good girl.
it's almost harder performing
Good
for the
girl.
camera.
Oh, move. Oh.
There you go. Oh, stop and smell the flowers. Kind of. Fake flowers. Dad, it's gonna fall.
Oh, move. Get mommy.
Hi, Vanessa.
See mommy. Go see mommy.
So many distractions along the way. Eh? So that's your new neck warmer. Yeah. You take that with you? Oh. Is that it? Is that all we have? Is that it? All of us getting sick? Now that you're the new conduit of germs into this house? Dush. Is that it? Oh, little snack that was found. Vanessa, all I have is the top of your head. Hi! Hi! Oh, nice snork. Okay, say bye-bye. Vanessa, you say bye-bye?
You say
Bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.